Hi mga Spukitik! This is your brand damage once again and I would like to show you how unique is our place. Unlike sa ibang lugar, meron sila mga White Island, Enchanted River, Green Paradise, the Green River, Blue River, or what's you call this? Very wonderful one. But now I'm gonna show you how unique our place is. Kung sa kanila merong iba-ibang kulay ng river, meron din sa amin. And guess what is the color of our river? Charan! It's very unique because it's so yellow. Saan ka nakakita ng tubig na ganyan? Oh, di ba? Sa inyo may green, may blue, may clean water, very clear. Sa amin, yellow na, maganda na, madumi pa. Oh, di ba? So that's our river is. Mwah! Don't forget to like my Facebook and subscribe my YouTube channel, Brand Damage. Bye-bye!